what the f? That's most likely from the dart. Great. So today, I am de-ricing my car and taking the Plastidip off of my rims because I'm gonna admit it's kind of fucking stupid. So that's coming off, and yeah, it's staying off. I'm not ever Plastidipping rims ever again. So let's get to it, I guess. This is going to be a lot harder than I thought. So some of it's not coming off because I didn't put enough Plastidip on, and now it is refusing to let go of the rim. So now I'm going to have to take it into work, and on the way there, stop and get WD-40 and some other things, and hope to fucking God this shit comes the fuck off, because it looks like shit.